Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing a Japanese hair care product that's been trending online, the Fino Premium Touch Hair Mask. With thousands of glowing reviews and claims of salon level results at home, is it worth the hype or just another overhyped jar? Let's break it down. The Fino Hair Mask is a deep conditioning treatment by Shiseido, made to repair dry, damaged, and frizzy hair. It's loaded with moisturizing ingredients, promises intense hydration, and claims to leave your hair smooth, shiny, and manageable. It's especially popular among people with chemically treated or heat damaged hair. On Amazon, it has an impressive 4.4-star rating with over 5,500 reviews, and 73% of those are 5-star. That's a strong track record, but what are users actually saying? Immediate results, they say. Users say their hair felt softer, shinier, and easier to manage after just one use, even in humid or dry climates. From bleached, curly, frizzy, or thick hair, users across different backgrounds saw noticeable improvements. A lot of people also praised the fragrance, subtle but long-lasting. And though the jar looks small, most users found they didn't need much per use. For the downsides, it's smaller packaging and subtle at first, which means a few users didn't feel much change while the product was still wet, but noticed a big difference once their hair dried. Fino Hair Mask is 100% legit if you're dealing with dryness, frizz, and heat damage. This product might be your new go-to. It's affordable, effective, and backed by thousands of happy customers worldwide. Just don't expect overnight magic, but give it a couple uses and your hair might just thank you. This review is based on personal research and user feedback as of 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.